I mean, this is a strong area for Wipro, right? And it is a growth driver for Wipro today, right? So we see this across all the geographies and all the verticals. Some will be more than the others at a given point in time based on what is closing in that quarter. So as an example, last quarter we saw more in Canada, but that's a point in time issue, right? I think that it is fairly secular.
Right. Currently, it contributes to about a quarter of your revenues, from a service line perspective. Going with the current traction that you're seeing, do you see that increasing significantly in the coming quarters?
At the moment, our growth rates are higher, right, in infrastructure services. So I would expect that math to add up, right, as the share going up. In
the last few years, analysts have spoken about how Wipro, despite starting out as a leader in this space, seems to have ceded ground to the likes of a HCL Tech, to a TCS. Would you agree? And is that changing now? What are you doing to really change that and get the ground back that you lost?
In the peer group, there are more credible players out here. I think it's a welcome thing. It's good for the industry that there are more credible players, right, who can deliver this in this model. We continue to invest deeply. It's not that we are losing market share right now to somebody else. Right? It is, collectively we're going to the same market, right? And we feel good, right, about where we are today and the wins that we have today.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.